The Katana Cable Triceps Extension is a triceps exercise that isolates each arm independently to overcome any muscle imbalances. The overhead motion provides an excellent stretch and contraction for the triceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust the height of each cable pulley to approximately waist height. To get set up properly, face the cable machine, then grab each cable stopper ball with the hand on the same side. While holding the cables, spin around as you raise the cables overhead to complete a 180-degree turn to face away from the cable machine. Your arms should now be bent and overhead, positioned at approximately 40 degrees forward and slightly flared out. Stagger your stance to stabilize your body and ensure the cables are taut. Stand tall with your chest up and core contracted to prevent your back from arching. Extend both arms up and away from your body as if you were pulling a pair of katana swords out of the harness on your back. Focus on contracting your triceps as you straighten your arms. Hold for a brief moment at the top to squeeze your triceps. Under control, slowly bend your elbows to bring the handles back side by side behind your head as you feel a good stretch in the triceps. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.